Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. This radio here is a repair report for Alan in Hawaii. Alan, you had four bad MOSFETs in the amplifier. We replaced all those in there, did a tune-up and alignment on the radio, tested her out. She's working real good for you now. So here, let's show you what she's doing. Got it on 10 watt scale now. Power's turned all the way down. We got about 6. And now I'm going to stick it on a 100 watt scale. We'll bring the power up to about 60. Peak power, 500 watt slug. This middle scale here, there's 200, 250s, that little line, 300s right there.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. 1, 2.
Now we gotta come up here to show the voltage.
Key it down. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. And let's try sideband. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking good. Put it on the antenna. Breaker 19 for radio check. Appreciate it, driver. Thank you very much.